Good morning, guys. If you haven't guessed yet, we are doing a little bit of urban creek fishing here in Dallas again. It is a creek I have been to before. I made a video on, but today I'm going in the other direction just to see what all's down here. So got some people's backyards up in here, trail on the other side. So it's not too secluded, but we are. Oh no, I knew that was about to happen. Stop. Okay, I'm gonna get them in the water, but we're getting little sunfish now, so I'm gonna get them back. So I've been walking for a little bit here, and it's just I don't know, really shallow, no holes. I found this little tributary type deal, little smaller creek. On the way back, I may go up that just a little bit and see where it goes. I haven't seen any more fish since I caught about one other sunfish. Bunch of little fry swimming around, but I'm looking for the bigger fish, at least a little sunfish and stuff. But there's a little deep spot here I might try, but I don't know. Haven't seen any like that that other spot we're at, but I'm gonna keep looking, and hopefully we find some. Alright, so I see that church off in the distance over there. Looks like the water might be a little deeper up there. There's like a little dam or something. So we may be able to get into some fish. We'll see whenever we get up there. I might check that out too on the way back. That's a golf course up there, but that may be coming out of a pond maybe. I might throw something on and run up there real quick and try and get a few casts before they kick me out. But right now we're gonna go up, and I'm about to step off into deeper water. Not too deep, that's good. Alright, so here's that little dam I was talking about. Looks like it kind of has given out and fallen apart a little bit, but well, okay. Damn. Alright, we're solid ground here. Damn. GoPro seems okay. I just got a text message. Everything seems dry. That sucks. There we go. Come here. All right. Second fish of the day. Got it pretty good. Alright, now we're finding bigger fish. We get a release on them with the underwater view. It's a bit cloudy. I don't know if I'll be able to really get it or not. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Look at that little guy. I believe that is a green sunfish. They got larger mouths, so they're able to get baits a little easier. Woo. Whoop. Almost dropped them. See that little, how much bigger his mouth is compared to other sunfish. There we go. Quick release. That was a good sized greenie. There we go. Ah, they keep coming off. There we go. There we go, little guy. Little bitty dude. Whoop. Wow, this guy really sucked it down there. Glad I got my pliers here. There we go. Hey guys, wrapping up the video in my car, letting the car get kind of warmed up, but I got the AC going. I got pretty soaked whenever I fell, but we didn't get any bass today, which is all right because the only bass in here are little, you know, it'd be like micro fishing. But we got some, what are they called? Green sunfish, and there was some other sunfish that we got. So that was pretty fun. I didn't go too far the other way down the creek just because I've made a video on that already once before. So most of the video besides the catching the fish are going to be me going up the other way, just to show y'all what it looked like and share what I found, and I think the one or two fish I caught going up that way. But if y'all want to see the other end of the creek, I think I actually caught a couple of bass in that other video. But maybe I'll leave that one linked in the description below so you could go watch that one if you'd like. Yeah, anyways guys, I'm letting everything dry out. I'm driving home barefoot. I may stop at Wendy's and get me some hot fries and a large chocolate frosty, but I don't know, that just sounds really good right now. But yeah, I'm gonna get home, dry off, or shower and then dry off, get these clothes washed, and spend the rest of the day doing chores. So hope you all enjoy this video when I get it together. We'll see how it comes out, but either way, hope y'all enjoy, and remember to hit that subscription button. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, all that, and I'll see y'all next time.